Hello guys, it's Captain Merc Aviation. Welcome to an X-Plane 11 video. Yeah, this is something a bit new. I have done a flight sim video in the past, that was on FSX. But yeah, I've now upgraded to X-Plane 11. Yeah, I bought it a few days ago and I already have a few add-ons. Like, this is the Zaba Mod 737. Yeah, it has a fully functioning FMC, well, maybe almost fully functioning, but yeah, it's really good. Most of the switches and that in the cockpit work, and yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, let's get ready for our departure out of Cairns. Our landing lights, yeah, I probably won't use most of these, well, some of these lights this time of day, but who cares, it's not real life. And yeah, our flaps are down and
Okay, the cabin is secured. Have a good flight.
Fasten seatbelt sign. Okay. Let's just go to the outside of the aircraft. It is a bit loud though, but yeah, the realism is really good. Okay, let's jump back in now. Just move it back. Yep, okay. So I guess we're ready to head off. Okay. Parking brake. Yep. Okay. Okay. Somewhere to 50% near that. I have flown the 737 in the past, like on FSX. I think it was the PMDG one. So yeah, I do know how this works. Okay. Toga. Yeah. Okay.
80 knots.
Yeah, 80 knots. Wow, that sounds just so good. Okay, V1, rotate.
Positive rate.
Gear up. So yeah, that was a pretty smooth departure. And yeah.
400.
Yeah, 400. Oh yeah, now it's our left-hand turn. You probably know that
Bank
it's the
angle.
Cairns in the
Bank
early
angle.
1000.
Oh, bank angle. And yeah, when the planes are taking off towards the south, they bank on a sharp left turn. Yeah, probably just to avoid the mountains and hills. I don't exactly know. Maybe it's the Cairns, yeah, town. Okay, that was pretty good. Yeah, it is a bit noisy again, sorry about that, but yeah, you can see, oh, whoops, yeah, you can see that we are ready to high and there's the airport over there. So yeah, that was a good departure. Let's zoom back out. And yeah, this flaps up now. And yeah, just landing geared. And guys, thanks for watching. If you have any ideas for me of what to do in the next X-Plane 11 video, please ask me below. And if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.